Let me see how much battery life I have in here. Ooh, my shit's about to die. Ooh, look at him. Ah, hey, what's up, buddy? I think I know him. I feel like that was my let's see what we could do for him. I don't think I thought I knew him, but I don't think I actually do. I'm gonna try to give him something now. Even though that was dirty. Why does he have Pathfinder on the back of his Toyota Yaris? There's a Pathfinder sticker on the back of it. Like, what does that mean? You're just a menace to society, looking for any path you could find?